mindset, puro pa yung...
Oo.
So now, mas malalim ng friendship nyo na ano.
Oo.
Yeah, oo naman. Ang ganda ng friendship namin ni Kaloy. Nag-iiyakan kami. Appreciate ko si Kaloy. Sobrang.
Okay. Last question, Direk. 100% sa Japan shoot lahat ng movie or may mga
Yes, sa Japan.
lahat of it? Wow. Okay. Thank you and good luck. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. That was a Bernardo of Marites University. For our next question.
Sino ba? I think yung kuya ko, kasi matagal na kami nakikita sa US siya. And parang feeling ko na sa point siya ng buhay na kailangan niya na concern. So, kuya.
Ako, siguro yung mga kapatid ko. Kasi tumatanda na rin kami lahat. So parang we're just navigating through our different lives. But still hand in hand, still together. It makes us stronger.
Siguro ako si Vicky. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Ayun, ako si Woody Carrera. Si Woody, feeling niya, alam niya kung saan siya papunta, yung mga gusto niya sa buhay, pero hindi. So parang for the past 6 years, palipat-lipat siya. Tama ba? 6-7 years, palipat-lipat siya. Tapos leaving fragments ng mga broken self niya dun sa mga pinuntahan niya. And then eventually,
Personal vision niya na mahanap yung perfect home.
perfect home. So hanap siya ng hanap. Eventually, nakilala niya si Linlin na tutulong sa kanya na maging buo. Kahit na si Linlin may mga hindi rin buo. So, gano'n.
Si Linlin naman is, well, as we saw sa trailer, has the special ability to foresee if somebody's going to be good for her or not. And that hindi pa syempre nasa trailer, pero mapapanood natin sa pelikula kung paano niya nakuha yung ability na yun, kung ano yung nag-reboot. Malalim din yung story ni Linlin kung bakit siya naging yung tao na how do you say that? How she became the person that she is. And then she meets Woody, who kind of changes her life. And teaches her na to give chances and to open your heart and to break down the wall. And I think one of the important things that I realized with it about the movie is that not just because you hold someone and you get the bad feeling doesn't mean they're gonna be bad for you. Maybe they can be bad for themselves. So, baka meron sila, it's not about Linlin, maybe sometimes it's about you or something like that.
Parang yung ability nga ni Linlin, parang mas
Nakatulong.
intense lang na judger eh.
Oo, yes, pero talagang, ano lang naman, parang yung criticism is parang yung productive na criticism. We'll see in the movie, it unfolds in the movie. It's hard to share it, especially from the trailer because it will give it away.
Ano lang the celebration of Filipino movies. I'm sure lahat ng kasali, they brought their A-game. Ganun lang, hindi ko siya tinibigyan as competition. Kasi ako personally, every MMFF talaga nagmamarathon ako sa sinihan sa mall. Ayun, I look forward to watching all of the entries.
Me, aside from the float, I'm really looking forward sa float actually. Because the first one I did was in 2016. Vince, Catherine James. So, I'm looking forward to that, but I'm also looking forward to watching all of the movies that's part of that.
Yung celebration, puro Pinoy na pelikula yung papanood mo this Christmas. Tsaka excited nga din ako sa float. Gusto ko, tagal ko na hindi nag-float.
Thank you.
Hindi ako masyadong, parang ayoko na ng pain na eh. Diba? Pero kung sa tingin mo worth it naman yung pain, at ganun mo kamahal kung papunta ka na sa martir, ganun. Basta mahal. Yeah, okay lang.
Kasi kasama yun sa pag-ibig.
Totoo, kasama sa buhay.
Yeah.
Oo, hindi mo naman may iwasan yun. So, yes. Basta mahal ko, kaya kong pag-iisan tayo lang.
How about you?
Yeah, oo, same. I think, yeah, the person who makes you happiest is also the one who can hurt you the most. They hold that much power, right? But I think we welcome the kind of pain that we become better for, that we learn from and stronger for. Pero if it's the kind of pain that's, you know, kung hindi siya good kind of pain, yeah, you can walk away from that.
Wow, that's congratulations and thank you.
Thank you. Nice to see you. Thank you very much.
Gaya ng mga papag-usapan kanina, parang it can really start a conversation about how we relate in spite of yung mga bad things we know about them. Feeling ko okay siyang panoorin sa Pasko kasi Christmas can be an opportunity for learning. And I'm very confident na pag ipagtao ka na naranasan mong mahal, meron kang makukuha sa pelikula ito na magagawin mo sa buhay mo. Diba? Yun. Meron, of course, nandiyan pa rin yung entertainment factor, pero ako yung lesson na pwede ma-impart ng movie. I think yung pinaka-valuable sa Hobby Close.
And for my last question to Julia and Carlo, ano yung hold me close nyo? Box Office Success or MMFF Best Actor and Best Actress Award?
Ikaw ba?
Hindi ko iniisip yung ganyan.
Oo parang mas sana ma-inspire yung mga tao kasi nga pinag-uusapan din dito yung mga traumas, tungkol sa mental health, and mga tungkol sa ganung aspeto. Sana lang mas makurot namin yung puso ng mga mananood.
Yeah, I would have to, nakakawala yung pag you focus on stuff like that. You just really want to have an impact on people's lives.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was, I had a wonderful time doing expensive Kennedy. It wasn't easy to do that, but they really held my hand throughout the journey. So it was just insane at this point. Okay, I think that